One's 19,000. This one is 35.9. That's insane.
Yo, I'm Antonio. I'm a real estate investor, and I'm going to show you where I find cash flowing properties as cheap as this. We started on our road trip to Scranton at 5:05 a.m. We met with Quay Tran, a property manager there. She gave us an insider scoop on what it was like to invest in Scranton. First, we saw a property asking $131,500 that rents for a total of $1,650. Then we went to a triplex listed for $90,000 that rented for $2,050. We couldn't go inside though. Then we head over to a duplex that was asking for $83,500 that rents for $1,175 total. Then we head over to another duplex on a really nice street that was asking for $130,000 but probably could have rented for $1,600 total. Then we got to see one of Quay's flips that she did herself with a partner. It looked really nice. Honestly, Scranton was a great town to invest in for multifamilies under $150,000 with a stable rental market. Then we headed to our next spot, Akron, Ohio. Follow for more.